29 forecast.
Lots of warm sunshine on this Wednesday. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick looking outside live from the top of Wintergreen. Just a couple of fair weather cumulus. The weather pattern has not changed hardly at all since Sunday. One more day, that's today, with highs in the 80s for the lower elevations. And by the way, looking closely at the camera lens here at the scenery, look at the colors, the green and changing over to orange and red. Yeah, we're seeing some fall foliage now over the higher elevations for sure. And that's going to expand over the next couple of week. So over the next couple of afternoons and into next week, as we turn cooler for next week, expect a lot more fall foliage even across central Virginia. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be a more October-like weather pattern. Saturday, Sunday, next Monday, daytime highs will be just the opposite of what we're experiencing right now. We're going to be nearly 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. So that means highs only in the low to mid 60s. Right now, we're experiencing low to mid 80s for daytime highs. Here's that first forecast for the rest of your day. Temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 in the valley. Low, if not mid 80s over central Virginia with a light south to southeasterly breeze. Lots of sunshine, a couple of fair weather clouds. 80 right now in Charlottesville. We're well on our way to reaching 84, 85 degrees today. 77 in Madison and 73 pleasant degrees in Stanton. Dry conditions on our live Doppler radar picture. No rainfall in sight. It will stay that way for quite some time, but I am watching a weather pattern changing cold front, watching a cluster of showers, downpours and thunderstorms from the Arkansas area and into the southern plain states, into Oklahoma and into Kansas. This is where the most active weather will stay. In fact, there's a severe weather risk for the Lone Star State down into areas of Oklahoma. Now, we're not going to expect severe weather here, but we will see a chance for a few passing showers because that front is actually going to weaken as it moves into this more dry and stable atmosphere. Here's late Friday night into the first half of Saturday. Some rain showers are going to be more likely, but we're not expecting a ton of rain. And then the rain will exit. Any shower will be gone by later Saturday afternoon and into the day on Sunday and next Monday. Just enough to dampen our forest beds and dry landscapes. Not expecting a ton of rainfall. Some of you might get a tenth to maybe a quarter inch of rain, but most of you will see less than that. It will come down from the north, and that means a cooler atmosphere. It will definitely feel more like October with highs in the 60s this weekend and lows in the 40s. Could be some 30s in the valley by next Monday morning. In your Storm Team 29 report today, sunshine, warm conditions, a dry atmosphere, highs upper 70s to the mid 80s. For tonight, mainly clear with lows, upper 40s for the valley, low to mid 50s over central Virginia with a near calm wind, areas of fog along the river valleys. And your forecast on Thursday, not quite as warm as today, but still above average, pushing 80 degrees for most of you under a partly sunny sky, so maybe a bit less sunshine. The clouds fill in on Friday. Much of the day looks to be dry in the upper 70s, and then we'll watch later Friday night into the first half of Saturday, especially for a few showers, and it will turn breezy and cooler in the 60s, low 60s on Sunday, upper 50s for the valley, 30s and 40s on Monday morning, and then overall below average temperatures for most of next week, Jared.